Alright, so we're just going to do a real quick hack and slash video here, and I'm going to import an image that I did earlier called text. Leave everything as default. You know, I'm very big on leaving everything as default. And I'm going to bring up this text, and I know it's outside my document parameters, but that don't matter to me. I want to increase the size of all the lettering here. And first off, I want to know that all my lettering is in a group, so I'm going to just combine. It doesn't matter if you do it 20 times or one time. It does say it's in a group, so I'm good with this. So we're going to use this fill bucket here. And since this is a big page, 1 millimeter is very, very small. I can go 10 millimeters. That way you can actually see what's going on. And I'm going to change, I'll change it to dark green. I'll change it to red. Now, we click on the color, not outside, not inside, on the color we want to change. And if you notice, it only selects one font at a time, or one letter, or one image, or path, whatever you want to call it, due to the fact that there is not any connecting lines between here. So we want to just select each one, and as if you noticed, everything's getting a bit bigger. Okay, just a bit, just ever so slight, which is fine. And then you just keep collecting or clicking until you're done. We're done. So I'm going to do a little trick here. I'm going to drop this to the bottom. Select the underlying font and delete it, and then I'm going to combine this. Now this is an object that we're going to change into a path. So before I do anything, I'm just going to say object to path. Done. Okay. Everything is a path now. And I can make it into one item by combining. And now my image is thicker. Not necessarily smaller or bigger, because we can adjust all these aspects in easel and or Inkscape. My biggest issue here was to create an image that is thicker. This way, Inkscape, if you have a bit or can't go below 1 32 inches, you can thicken the font by selecting each of the lines, each of the paths per se. And then, since we are now a path, is what we're dealing with, we can save as. I'll call it text 2 and save it. Now you can bring it into easel and see if that'll cut for you properly with a thicker line. I'll talk to y'all later.